Welcome to the weekly watch list feature, everyone. I am lead trainer with StocksToTrade Tim Bohen. If you're on Instagram, hit the link in bio. If you're on YouTube, go to link below. Otherwise, simply go to StocksToTrade.com/watchlist. Man, huge. It's hard not to make the puns and the dad jokes on huge, but pretty wild. On Friday, entry at 20 cents. Thing went 83% of that from Oracle, man. Pretty incredible. But it shows we're back. Speaking of back, S&P 500 all the way back from the shakeout from the Japan news, and because of that, go and swing. This was one the other day, earnings winner. Iris had a really high score on this for a swing trade. Just a nice 2-day grind, and what I like about it is, for whatever reason, people just like hate Palantir for some reason. Short sellers, well, they hate everything. They hate their lives. They hate their spouses. I think short sellers hate their kids. But anyway, the point is people love to short this stock. Earnings winner, big breakout. Love this for a week open red to green on Monday. And speaking of that, head over to the full watch list. I got something special for you there talking about swing trades. Remember, it's all free, the watch list. Simply go to the link in bio, link below, or StocksToTrade.com/watchlist. Got a little something special on the full 5-stock watch list, 100% free in your inbox. And have a great day, and we will see you next time. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of the StocksToTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 150,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without you guys. So if you like what we're doing here and you want to hear more, please, please, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.